Here's how to print out your luggage tags for your next Princess cruise. Start by going to princess.com and then click on Login at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Enter your login ID and password and then click Login. Select Continue. At the top right-hand corner of your screen, click on the arrow for Manage Booking. Select Booking Details. Click on this arrow for booking details. Then select the arrow to the right of To-Do List. If you haven't already completed the online check-in process, you'll need to do so before printing out your tags. But if you have checked in, you'll just need to click on Print Luggage Tags. Choose the passenger for which you'd like to print luggage tags and then click their name. Select the blue Print Luggage Tag box that's located at the top of the screen. I'm using a MacBook with Safari as my browser, and if you notice, the luggage tag is set to print on 2 pages, which is not going to work. Fixing the issue is easy. Simply go to Scaling and then click the down arrow until the tag appears on 1 page. If you want to print out more than 1 copy of the tag, adjust the number in the Copies section above before selecting Print. Or you can bypass the issue by using Google Chrome as your browser when you sign in. I've done so here, and you can see that the dimensions of the luggage tag are set appropriately, so it eliminates the minor issue of needing to rescale the tag before printing. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope to see you again in a future video. Thanks for watching.